Good morning, students. Today is your science class, and today we are going to complete the last topics from the chapter Cell Structure and Function. And we will discuss about comparison of plant and animal cells. If you recall activity number 8.3 and 8.4, you should be able to compare plant and animal cells. Observe the plant and animal cells carefully in figure number 8.7 A and B. Let us tabulate the similarities and distinguishing features of plant and animal cells. Only a few features are mentioned. You may add more in table number 8.1. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों ने जो प्रीवियस एक्टिविटीज़ देखी थी उनमें हमने प्लांट और एनिमल सेल्स दोनों को ऑब्जर्व किया था, तो आप आसानी से उन्हें कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्या देखेंगे, कुछ सिमिलैरिटीज़ और कुछ जो डिफरेंसेस है वो डायग्राम के बेसिस पर हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। Student, observe both the pictures. A is the figure of plant cell and B is the figure of animal cell. In both the figure you observe there is cell membrane, which is outer layer of the cell, which gives shape to the cell. Plant as well as animal, both cells consist of cell membrane. Now second is vacuole. Here in plant cell there is a large size of vacuole with less number, and here small size of vacuole in animal cell but in more number. Okay, now next is nucleus. Both the cells have contain nucleus, but when we talk about nucleus in animal cell, it is located in the at the center of the cell. But when we talk about the nucleus inside the plant cell, which is located at the corner of the cell, because here the size of vacuole is very large, that's why nucleus situated at the corner of the cell. And the next topic is cytoplasm. Both the cell contain cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid which is present between the nucleus and plasma membrane. साइटोप्लाज्म क्या है बेटा? फ्लूइड है जो न्यूक्लियस और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बिटवीन लोकेटेड होता है। ठीक है, और ये अगर हम बात करें न्यूक्लियस की, तो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर भी फ्लूइड होता है। द फ्लूइड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन न्यूक्लियस इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म और प्रोटोप्लाज्म. So these are some similarities. We can compare plant cell and animal cell. Cell membrane, both the cells have cell membrane. Cell wall, in plant cell cell wall is present, but in animal cell cell wall is absent. When we talk about nucleus, nucleus also present in plant cell as well as in animal cells. Nuclear membrane is also present in plant cell as well as in animal cell. Cytoplasm, both the cells contain cytoplasm. And plastid, plastid only plant cells have. Okay, like chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, these are the plastids. But in animal cell there is no plastid. Plastid is absent in animal cell. Vacuole, in plant cell large vacuoles are present, but in animal cell small size vacuoles are present. Students, about the cell structure and functions, you will learn more in the class 9th. In this class there is very limited content given here, but in higher classes you will learn more about it. Thank you so much. Good day everyone.